January 2013 Core 4 question 2 is our standard partial fractions one, and then going on to a binomial. So virtually everyone's successful this bit here. The first line, we're going to write 7x minus 1. The top of this fraction is equal to a times by 1 plus 3x, and then b times the other one, the 3 minus x here. And we're looking, first of all, let's choose x equals 3 to begin with. When x equals 3, this bit here is 20, this bit here is 10, so we've got a is equal to 2. And for the other bit, I'm getting x is minus a third. When I put minus a third in here, I'm getting minus 10 thirds. And minus a third in there makes it 0. Minus a third in here, minus minus, making it plus. So I've got 10 thirds of b. So we're getting b here is minus 1. And the examiner says virtually everybody got this right. So we're trying to do 7 marks now, and we've got to try and keep these bits tidy, keep it clear. We've got to try and do a difficult, that's not the right way around, is it? We've got to try and do the difficult expansion, which is a over 3 minus x, being careful with that 3 there, and then we've also got to do the 1 over 1 plus 3x. Let's do the easy one first, this one here. We're trying to do 1 plus 3x all to the power of minus 1, and so that's just 1, and minus 1 times 3x, and minus 1 times minus 2 over 2 times 3x squared. So we've got 1, this bit here is minus 3x's, and here the 2's cancel out, the minuses cancel out, so we've just got plus 9x squared. We're getting 2 marks working that bit out. Now this harder one, we've got 2 lots of 3 minus x to the power of minus 1. The 2 from the top there, and the 3 minus x is on the bottom. Now we've got a 3 here. We have to take that 3 out, don't we? So we're doing 2 times by 3 to the power of minus 1. Don't forget the 3 to the power of minus 1. Times by 1 minus x over 3 to the power of minus 1. Let's work out this bit. This is 1 plus n times the x bit plus n times n take away 1 over 2 times the x bit squared. Working out that, we've got 1 minus minus is plus x over 3. Minus 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 minus, still plus. We've got x squared. How many x squareds? We've got just x squared over 27, haven't we? Because they're just cancelling out again. X squared over 27 there. Not 27, 9. 3 squared's 9. What have we got to do to that? Well, we need to times this by 2 over 3. We need to do 2/3 of it. And so we're getting 2/3 times 1, which is 2/3. 2x over 9, 2 times x, 3 times 3, and 2 times x squared. I knew there was a 27 coming. 3 over 9 is the 27 there. The last bit of this 7-mark question is now to combine these two bits together. It is this one here minus this one here. There is a minus in the middle of these two things because of the minus b we've got there. And so just being careful. So we've got 2/3 take away 1. 2/3 take away 1, of course, is minus a third. 2/9 minus minus 3. 2/9 minus minus 3 is going to be plus. We've got 27, an extra 2, makes 29/9. And finally, 2 over 27, take away 9. Taking away 9, got lots of 27ths there. It's 241 x squared. When does this expansion work? We've got 2 things to look at. We need this expansion to work, and that expansion works when the modulus of 3x is less than 1, and so x must be, the modulus of x must be less than a third. Well, if the modulus of the other one works, so let's just check that one there. That one there works when the modulus of x over 3 is less than 1, and that's the modulus of x is less than 3. That one's irrelevant, really. It's this one here that's the important one. We need x to be less than a third, and x isn't less than a third. It's actually 0.4, which is more than a third. Lots of algebra there, so do check all of your pluses and your minuses and your fractions.